Hello, darlings. My name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am taking you to Rafal, a tranquil Spanish town located in the Vega Baja del Segura Valley in the southern part of the Alicante province. This beautiful town is only 1.6 square kilometers in total, but offers so much to this region. Being part of the Segura River and having a historical irrigation system, it is surrounded by groves that actually have plenty of fruits and vegetables. Today I'm going to be showing you townhouses. There are 9 in total on plots from 180 square metres and the actual home itself 120 square metres. They offer 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and are distributed on 3 floors. So let's begin the tour. Here I am stood in the street that is actually overlooking the entrance to the property. And as you can see, this is an architectural build that they are regenerating. But this would be your pedestrian door to enable us to actually go inside. So as I take you inside through the pedestrian entrance, it brings you into an exterior entry porch, which I think is just ever so cute. It then takes you directly up the steps and we immediately enter the ground floor living spaces for the family to enjoy. They have done so in such a way that they have put a terrace at the front of the property, which is approximately 16 square metres and overlooks patio doors to enable integration with the interior living space. And so now I'm going to take you through the front door of the home. And as I come through the front door, I'm immediately met with a light, bright, inviting and modern interior living space. It comprises on this floor of your open plan, living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers 46 square metres with a ceiling height of just under 2.6 metres. Right here, I'm stood in this wonderful living room. As you can see, it's got the patio doors of the same terrace that we were just in. And it does lead really seamlessly to your open dining space. Here in the dining space, you also have a table that is set to dine for. What I like about this room is you have a great balance when it comes to the light. So you have the terrace at the front, but I'm also in a little while going to show you a terrace at the back, which means that the space is actually really nicely illuminated. But the specifications are such that you also have LED lighting throughout. On this particular floor, they have already installed the air conditioning, so there isn't anything that you need to do. But if you're wanting it on the other floors, you have your pre-installation. So right here, I'm coming into the open plan kitchen. As you can see, they've gone with a monochromatic feel. With its modern cabinetry, I do like also, you have nice deep drawers, lots of counter space. And on this side, it also features your extractor, your cooking hob, the kitchen sink, and also here in the corner, your dishwasher. On the other side, you also find that there's a continuation of your cabinets, as well as your oven, your microwave, your refrigerator, and also the freezer. Now, this door is another patio door that leads you to a really handy rear terrace. Let's say you wanted to have an outdoor kitchen space. This would be perfect, or even just a place to also use as a recreational space. It offers 20 square metres, could be used in however you like, but it also gives you access directly to the basement, which is also now a garage. Taking you back into the home, I'm now going to show you a little bit more, and you will find that on this side, you have your cabinets that are also housing some of your other appliances. You have in here your boiler and also the washing machine. In the nook also, there is a door that leads to a warmly decorated guest bathroom. This bathroom is fully equipped. Coming down the stairs to the basement level, and this is where you will find the garage. As you enter, you find to my left is a storage room for those that may need to use it, but the garage actually gives you a really good amount of space. Maintaining a ceiling height under here of, again, just under 2.6 metres, you have also a garage of 72 square metres. But let's say, for example, you didn't want to use it as just a garage. There are other infinite possibilities down here with access to electrical power points and various installed lighting. It also could give you some additional recreational, multifunctional space for your home. But the garage also comes with a comfortable automatic gate, and as you can see, there is a sloped driveway giving you easy access. Taking you up the stairs to the upper floor, and this floor, I suppose typically you could use it as a primary suite, but they have decided to use it as a work office space with its own little lounge nook. This actual space here you will find is just under 17 square metres, and it gives you patio doors that also take you directly out onto a really nice spacious terrace. With the specifications the same, so you also have your integrated wardrobes in your primary, but you do have this wealth of outdoor living space on each floor, which I have to say is wonderful. After all, Rafal is known for its agriculture, and so there is no surprise that you do get to see quite a lot of groves and vegetables being grown in this locality. But this is not just the only terrace on the primary suites floor, because you also have another. But before I show you that, this is the guest, or should I say the ensuite bathroom that also comes fully equipped with this bedroom. So taking you along the way, I'm going to open this door, and directly across the hall you have another terrace. This terrace gives you panoramic views from a different perspective, and it's wonderful because it's a really sunny terrace. So if you do like sun lounging, then this would be the spot. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is to be confirmed at a later date. The community fee is €30 per month, and the refuse is €180 per year. What we weren't able to show you today was that the actual townhouses also feature communal zones and a communal swimming pool. And the actual project itself, consisting of 9 townhouses, is scheduled to finish in spring, April 2026. What I actually really like about this developer is they're able to take a project that had been completed years ago, regenerate it to the present day, and also offer it as affordable housing for all. I like this townhouse because it gives you the option of that wonderful garage that it comes with, but it also gives you terraces and balconies on every floor so you can still appreciate the scenery and also the Mediterranean climate. What's nice as well is that if you like to have things within walking distance, Rafal is a small town but has everything on hand there for you to walk to day. And what's also really great is that it's not too far away from Alicante Airport. Just 48 kilometres away, you could be there flying to and from your destinations with ease. So if you like this property and you'd like to know more, please check out our finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. My name's Nakima. It was lovely to see you again, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto!